Hello students, how are you? Previous class lesson did you all read? Shall I ask some questions? Okay. What is that lesson we are doing? The globe and maps. Please look onto the board and answer the questions. Okay? Are you reading the textbook? Yes. What is a globe? Yes, it is a model of Earth. Right. How many ends are there on a globe? Yeah? Yes, there are two ends. What are they? North pole and south pole. Okay. The upper part, on the top of the globe, the end point is called North pole, and the bottom end of the globe is called South pole. Yes. What is that line called which is dividing the globe into two equal halves? Yes? Equator. Right. Equator is the latitude which is dividing the globe into two equal halves. It is a 0 degree latitude. Yes? And what is that equator to the pole? The region between equator and the North Pole is called Northern Hemisphere. And the region between equator to the South Pole is called Southern Hemisphere. Very good. It is the whole globe is divided into two equal halves by the equator called 0 degree longitude. Yes, 0 degree longitude called equator, dividing the globe into two equal halves. Yes. So the region between equator and the North Pole is called Northern Hemisphere. The region between equator to the South Pole is called Southern Hemisphere. Yes. Next, what is that imaginary line that connecting the two poles? Yeah? Axis. Very good. Passing through middle of the globe. Yes. And connecting both the poles. Yes. Next, we have learned about the latitudes. Latitudes are also called as, latitudes are also called as parallels. Latitudes are also called as parallels. Yes. So, the imaginary lines running parallel to the equator are called latitudes. Yes. The imaginary lines that running parallel to the equator around the globe are called latitudes. Yes. They are also called as parallels. Yes. These are imaginary lines. These latitudes, how many are there? From equator to the North Pole, how many latitudes are there? There are 90 latitudes. Yes. See, there are from equator to the North Pole, how many latitudes are there? 90. And how many latitudes are there from the equator to the South Pole? 90. Yes. So, overall, how many latitudes are there? 180 latitudes. How many? 180 latitudes. Yes. So, did equator included in that or excluded among those 180 latitudes? Equator is excluded, means not added. Equator is excluded. It is a 0 degree. So, any number will count from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Isn't it not? So, this 0 degree latitude, it is not included in these 180 latitudes. Yes? So, some important latitudes we have learned. Do you remember? Yes? Before that, tell me, are Are these all latitudes equal? Are all the latitudes are equal? No. The latitudes from the equator to the poles gradually keep on decreasing. To the north as well as to the south. From the equator to the north pole, gradually the latitudes keep decreasing in their size. Similarly, from equator to the south pole, the latitudes gradually keep on decreasing. And the 90-degree latitude is just only a point. The 90-degree latitude is just only a point. Did you got? Yes? The 90-degree latitude is only a point, only a dot. Yes? Okay. Among these latitudes, some are very important latitudes are there. What are those? How many are there actually? How many latitudes are there? There are 7 latitudes. How many latitudes are there? 7 important latitudes are there. Okay. Can you name those latitudes? Can you point out? What is that first one? Tell me. What is that 0-degree latitude called? See, some among the 7 important latitudes, first one is 0-degree latitude. What it is called? 0-degree latitude, it is called as equator. Yes? In the previous class we have learned 0-degree latitude is called as equator. Okay? Yes. Next one, what is that important latitude? 23.5 degree north latitude. 23.5 degree north latitude is called, yes, Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. Right? Yes. Then what is that 23.5 degree south latitude is called? 23.5 degree south latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. So whatever I am telling you, you please once repeat. Repeat. Then you know how to pronounce. Yes? Tropic of Capricorn. Next one, 66.5 degree. The north latitude. What it is called? 66.5 degree north latitude. Yes? Look at here. 66.5 degree. What it is called? Arctic Circle. Good. Arctic Circle. Repeat again. Arctic Circle. Okay. 66.5 degree south latitude. What it is called? Yes? 66.5 degree south. Antarctic Circle. 66.5 degree south latitude, it is called as Antarctic Circle. Repeat after me. Antarctic Circle. Okay. And 90 degree north latitude is called North Pole. Yes, 90 degree north latitude is called North Pole. Yes, 90 degree south latitude is called South Pole. South Pole. Yes. So they are only just a dots. North Pole and South Pole, they are only just a dots. So these are the things we have learned about latitudes. Right? So shall we read about the longitudes? What are these longitudes? What are longitudes? The semicircular lines. The semicircular lines connecting the two poles. Look at the diagram. The semicircular lines connecting the two poles, North Pole and South Pole, connecting the two poles. And crossing the equator. Do you know the equator passing the middle of the globe? It is a 0 degree we have learned here. Yes? Passing through the equator are called longitudes. Yes? And 0 degree longitude. means which is the line which is dividing the globe into two equal halves. Yes, it is called as a 0 degree longitude or prime meridian. It is also called as Greenwich longitude. Yes, it is also called as Greenwich longitude. Do you know why it is called as a Greenwich longitude? Can anybody tell? Greenwich longitude. Can you tell? Can anybody tell me why it is called as Greenwich longitude? Greenwich is a place on the bank of River Thames in London. River Thames and London. So that is why this longitude is called as Greenwich longitude. Yes? And in latitudes we have learned all the latitudes are keep decreasing towards the poles. Whereas here longitudes all are equal in length. All longitudes are equal in their length. Yes? All longitudes are equal in their length. Okay. From Greenwich longitude to the east, how many longitudes are there? There are 180 degree of longitudes are there. And how many longitudes are there towards the west? Towards the west. Even towards the west also there are 180 degree longitudes are there. Very good. And total how many longitudes are there? Overall, how many longitudes are there? Overall, the longitudes are 360. 180 is equal to 360 degree longitudes are there. Yes? So, what are the uses of these longitudes or these imaginary lines? These longitudes help us to know the time. Help us to know the time of any country in the world. What is the time in any country we can know by help of these longitudes. Yes? So in a today class, we will going to learn that how this time is measured. In today's class, how these imaginary lines help us to study the time of any country in the world. Okay children?